Good morning, बच्चों. Today we discuss here about electrostatic force or Coulomb's law. In previous class, we discussed about nature of charge, process of charging, property of charge, and here we discussed about Coulomb's law, electrostatic force. At first, सबसे पहले कूलॉम साहब ने बोला when 2 point charges are at rest in a certain separation, मतलब चार्ज पार्टिकल रेस्ट में होने चाहिए, मोशन में नहीं, एंड आर पॉइंटेड, एक पॉइंट पर होने चाहिए, नॉट सेपरेटेड, देन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स आइदर अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्सन बिटवीन देम, जो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स का मैग्नीट्यूड होगा बिटवीन टू चार्जेस इज directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. ये इनका स्टेटमेंट था कि when 2 point charges are at rest in certain separation the magnitude of electrostatic force either attraction or repulsion acting between them is directly proportional to magnitude of या product of magnitude of charges and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Here we discuss about charges are placed in air or free space or vacuum, in medium and in both medium and air. At first we discuss about charges are placed in air. Let us hear if two charges q1 and q2 are placed at separation r, magnitude of charges q1 and q2 and separation between them is r, then according to Coulomb's law electrostatic force is proportional to product of magnitude of charges, that is q1 q2. Here this is product of magnitude of charges and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Therefore we write down here f is proportional to q1 q2 upon r square. This is statement of Coulomb's law. According to this statement we write down mathematically f is proportional to q1 q2 and f is inversely proportional to r square. Therefore we write down here, we know that when a sign of proportional is replaced, then we write down a constant. This is written here, f is equal to k q1 q2 upon r square. Here k is where k is a constant and is called electrostatic constant. Its value is, we write down here, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 4 pi epsilon naught, and its numerical value is 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square, and its dimension ml square, ml cube t minus 4 a minus 2 is dimension of electrostatic constant. So when the sign of proportional is replaced by a constant, here this constant is known as electrostatic constant. Its numerical value is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught or 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square, and its dimension is ml cube t minus 4 a minus 2. Again we write down the force F is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square. Here epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is called electrical permittivity or permittivity of free space. It is also known as electrical permittivity of free space, and its value is equal to 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 coulomb square per न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर. ये एप्सिलॉन नॉट की वैल्यू था, इसको एप्सिलॉन नॉट बोलते हैं. Here its value is also written as 8.86 into 10 power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square, and its dimension is just opposite, that is m minus 1 l minus 3 t power 4 a power 2. This is dimension of electrical permittivity of free space. So here two charges are at rest in space, free space or air, then the magnitude of force is written as F is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square. After that we discuss about when two charges placed in medium and when two charges placed such as some part is free space and some part between them is medium. Therefore, we calculate the order of electrostatic force in such a way. In next class, we discuss about force when charge is placed in medium and also medium and vacuum. Thank you.